Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in Safari and move quickly into Settings. This is where deletion happens. On iPhone, open Safari and tap the share icon, then choose Bookmarks or History. On Mac, open Safari and select Preferences, then Privacy or Websites. Once done, identify the specific site or cookie data you want removed. Make sure to select the device or tab that holds the saved entry so you don't delete the wrong history or site settings. Now you remove the entries themselves. On iPhone, tap Bookmarks, then edit to remove saved pages, or use History and swipe left to delete single items. On Mac, open Preferences, Privacy, Manage Website Data, type the site name to filter results. Select one or multiple entries, then press Remove or Done to commit. This clears cookies, local storage, and cached files for that domain, so pages may log out or load fresh next visit, which is expected. Finish by restarting Safari, and if needed, your device to flush any remaining cache. If the site still appears, make sure iCloud Safari Sync isn't restoring it. Sign out or remove the entry on each synced device. Also check extensions or content blockers that might re-add data, and use Manage Website Data to fully remove stubborn cookies. If you hit an error, toggle Safari off in iCloud briefly, then remove the site and toggle Sync back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.